Have you ever pondered why some objects float effortlessly on water while others plunge straight to the bottom? It all boils down to a single word: density. It's a fascinating concept that governs so much of our world. Density is a measure of how much mass is packed into a particular volume. Picture a bustling city with towering skyscrapers and narrow streets. Each building is like a particle, and the city's area represents the volume. A densely populated city is akin to a dense material packed with particles. To make this a touch clearer, let's take a look at some familiar substances and their densities. Consider water, the foundation of life on Earth. It has a density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter. It's our reference point when we talk about density. Now imagine a balloon floating in the air. The air that fills our atmosphere has a density of 0.00129 grams per cubic centimeter. That's far less than water, which is why a balloon filled with air floats on water. What about something heavier, like salt? Its density is 2.16 grams per cubic centimeter, over twice that of water. Thus, if you drop a lump of salt into a glass of water, it will sink. Iron, a metal we see daily, has a density of 7.87 grams per cubic centimeter. It's denser than both water and salt. So a chunk of iron will sink not only in water, but also in a vat of molten salt. Lastly, consider gold, a symbol of wealth and prosperity throughout history. Its density reaches a staggering 19.32 grams per cubic centimeter. That's almost 20 times denser than water. Consider that the next time you see a gold necklace or gold coin. It's not just the shiny allure that makes gold so valuable. It's also its incredible density. So to wrap it all up, density is a measure of how much mass is packed into a given volume. It explains why some things float and others sink. It varies depending on temperature and pressure, and it can be influenced by other substances. Whether it's the air we breathe, the water we drink, the iron in our buildings, or the gold in our jewelry, density is a fundamental concept that shapes our world. And now you have a better understanding of what it means and why it matters. So, the next time you see something float or sink, you'll know it's all about density.